I'm recording a trade because we have lower high confirmation set up off the trend line and off the bearish trend working lower. The stop loss has to go one tick above the signal bar. I dropped the limit order one tick back to decrease the risk, scalping 8 contracts, leaving 2 contracts as a runner. And if I'm going to zoom out, we have bearish trend working lower, series of lower highs and low lows. And as a price action trader, I need to identify the trend line, the key entry point, to understand where I can sell. And the trend line held here, push below EMA is the resumption that the sellers are back in the market. And you can see this signal bar was bullish, reversed down, indicating strong momentum. And it's a good signal that the sellers are back in the market. So I decided to sell because uptrend played out to break new high. And I want to catch a brand new push phase working lower. So let's see if we can get our scalp, and eventually I'm going to manage the runner here. Alright, we got the scalp. It confirmed the trend line. It confirmed that the push phase is going to start because the correction phase ended with the break in new high. And this is the key entry point. This is where all the smart sellers are stepping into the market. Identify contacts, locate key entry point, and wait for the price action pattern. This pattern was the lower high. Alright, traders, our runner got hit at break even. The majority was the scalp, the runner was just a bonus, and we didn't get runner this time.